today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a cover page on Google Docs. Let's get started. First, open your Google Docs on your computer. Once you have your document open, locate the toolbar at the top of your screen and click on Insert. This feature is really handy as it allows us to add various elements to our document. For this cover page, we're going to need to create a border, so go ahead and click on Table. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose a 1x1 cell. This will serve as the foundation for our border. Now with that cell inserted, you'll want to click at the bottom of it. Just place your cursor at the very edge and then hold down your mouse button or trackpad while dragging it downwards. This action will extend the cell, giving us the border we need. Once the border is set up as you like, click inside that cell to select it. Next, go to Insert once again, and this time click on Drawing and then New. This brings up the drawing tool where we can add an image to our cover page. You'll see an option called Image. Give that a click. Now, depending on where your chosen image is stored, you'll select the appropriate option. For those of us with the image saved on our computer, click on Browse. A window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your files. Here, choose the image you wish to insert and click Open. It's normal for there to be a slight wait while the image uploads. This might take a few moments, especially if your internet connection is running a bit slow. So a little patience goes a long way here. Once your image is successfully uploaded to the drawing board, you can start customizing it. You have the option to add some personal touches like text over the image. Adjust the size of this text to your liking. You can also play around with the background of the text, perhaps adding colors for a little extra flair. When you're happy with the details on your image, go ahead and click Save and Close. This will insert the image into your document within the border we created earlier. Finally, at the bottom of your cover page, feel free to add a few more details, such as the author's name or the company name. This gives a nice professional touch to your cover page. And that's it. You've just created a cover page on Google Docs. It's a simple process that adds a wonderful element of presentation to your documents. If you found this guide helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.